Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja, and today I'm showing you my everyday makeup routine, so keep watching. First, I'm starting with my NIVEA Creme for my face lotion. I have really dry skin, so this is like my go-to before I put on my primer. Then I'm using this Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I really love this stuff, especially for my dry skin. It's very moisturizing and sticky. And of course, combing out my thick eyebrows. I don't do much, but I use this Milk Makeup Concealer. This is the Future Fluid Concealer that I use. And I pretty much just carve out my eyebrows. I don't draw them in or anything like that. A lot of people think that I do, but I don't. And I'm just blending that out. Then I'm taking some E.L.F concealer. This is a shade I use for contour. Just recently added this into my makeup routine, and it is just so fire, to be honest. And I just put it on the points where I contour, which is like under my cheeks, my forehead, and I'm just blending that out. Then I'm going in with this E.L.F concealer and in the points that I highlight, which is under my eyes, around my nose, forehead, chin. Taking my Milk Makeup spray, you know, you have to set your concealer a little bit, and then what I do is I blend everything out, but like not perfectly, so that like the makeup could kind of set in place where I want it. And then I go in and contour my nose with the same E.L.F concealer that I used on my forehead and cheeks. Then usually before I put my highlight, I would put this foundation, but I kind of missed a step, but it still came out really nice. You can do it either way, honestly, and this method will have you using less foundation, which is also good. But I'm pretty much taking that foundation and blending everything out on my face. I'm putting more of the dark shade on the places that I contour, just to add more color back into my skin. And then I always do a double layer of concealer. Like no matter what routine I'm doing, I always have to do a double layer. And I'm just blending that out so I can make sure my under eyes is very highlighted. Then I'm taking this Huda Beauty Peach Pie setting powder that I recently got. Wow, nobody told me anything. Like, this powder is amazing. Will have you snatch, will have you flawless pores wear. Like, this powder is not to be played with. I love it so much. Then using my Milk Makeup setting spray again, and once that dries, I'm using my favorite JUVIAS Place blush duo, and I used the light pink one. I was sleeping on the light pink one for a while, and I just recently started using it, and this is like the perfect Barbie pink. Then I'm going in with my NYX Line Loud lip liner, one of my favorites also, very pretty warm brown. Then I'm using the JUVIAS Place gloss sticks, and sometimes I use either one, sometimes I use both, just depending on what I'm going for in that moment and how I'm feeling. Then I'm doing the Lash Princess mascara. If you know, you know. Yeah, lashes on fleek, and that's pretty much it. This was really quick, but very effective. Okay, I feel like this routine is now going to be like my go-to makeup because it's very quick, very easy, and it's so pretty, honestly. That is the end of this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.